Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add clock widget on the home screen in your Android phone. So at first, touch and hold on the home screen. And at the bottom, you can see widgets option. Then just go to widgets and then go to clock option. And here it is. You can see 4 kinds of clock widget and you can add any clock widget on the home screen as you like. If you want to add this digital clock on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see clock widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it and then go to settings option, from here you can customize your clock widget. From here you can enable or disable day and night colors. Also if you disable this option, then you can change your clock widget background. You can choose white or black color. You can also change your transparency from here and you can set any level as you want. Then tap on save. And you can see it's changed successfully. Also if you want to add any analog clock widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and then go to same settings again, and that's it. Then just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen, and that's it. Now if you touch and hold it again, then go to settings option, and from here you can change your analog clock widget theme and you can set any theme as you want. Then tap on save. And you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add clock widget on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.